Looking for a sulit and cozy buffet experience in Quezon City? Tara, let's discover one hidden gem along Tomas Morato, the Finio Cafe and Restaurant. Today we're here at Finio Cafe and Restaurant, located at 220 Tomas Morato Avenue, near Dr. Lazcano Street in Quezon City. This charming spot blends comfort, affordability, and delicious Filipino flavors in one cozy space. Pino offers a buffet experience featuring a delightful mix of traditional Filipino dishes. Whether you're a local foodie or a traveler, there's something here for everyone. We visited during lunch and the spread didn't disappoint. From savory classics to comfort favorites, every dish hits the spot. We enjoyed Ginisang toge, Pancit bihon, crispy pork Shanghai, sweet chili mussels, fried fish fillet, crispy bagnet, and Ginatang kuhol. Paired with plain rice and soup of the day, egg drop soup. There's also a salad bar and even spaghetti carbonara. Complement our meal with a refreshing drink of iced tea and blue lemonade. And cap it up with a pandan jelly dessert and a warm cup of brewed coffee. Perfect for a relaxed dining experience. And here's the best part, affordable pricing. Finio Cafe and Restaurant's no leftover lunch and dinner buffets are at a promo price of only 325 pesos. And since the space is small, expect a short wait during peak hours. But trust us, it's worth it. We suggest making a reservation for lunch and dinner to check availability at 7919-0186. Pino also offers a no leftover breakfast buffet promo on a first come first serve basis for just 199 pesos and accepts catering for private events. They are open from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. for breakfast, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. for lunch, and from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. for dinner, at a maximum dining time limit of 2 hours. You can also dine with ease with their free parking spaces. Customers love the warm ambiance and attentive service, making your dining experience both enjoyable and satisfying. Overall, Finio Cafe and Restaurant offers more than just a meal. It's a comforting experience where value meets taste. If you're craving Filipino comfort food without breaking the bank, this is definitely a must visit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Sulit food trips. Kita-kits on our next video. Thank you for watching!